The 2015 Sounds of Celebration project, brought to you by Education Africa in collaboration with the Sydenham Highlands North Community Centre, was a resounding success. The project aimed to facilitate cross-cultural interactions, and it was a pleasure to be able to watch a diverse group of musicians from all sorts of cultures come together and create beautiful music. It was, in every sense of the word, a true representation of our Rainbow Nation in perfect harmony. This year's project culminates with tonight's musical production featuring 180 young performers on one stage. One of the key aspects of the Sounds of Celebration project is to raise money to establish Marimba hubs to a wide number of disadvantaged schools, providing teacher training and safe creative spaces for learners. It is a sad reality that due to a lack of resources and facilities, there is a low morale amongst many children, a high prevalence of teenage pregnancy, HIV/AIDS, drug abuse, crime, and underage drinking. Simply put, our youth is out there playing in the streets because there are not many facilities outside of school hours that provide an outlet for school children to interact and play in a safe environment. Between 2013 and 2015, the Sounds of Celebration project facilitated the opening of 2 Marimba hubs, the Itute Marimba Hub in Alexandra and the Davidton Marimba Hub at the Zama Montessori School in Davidton. These music centres serve not just their host schools, but also benefit neighbouring learning centres in the surrounding areas. Educators and learners are trained by Education Africa, and we provide the necessary equipment to these hubs, which include a full set of marimbas as well as a set of dummy keyboards, which ensure that the number of learners who can participate in a class is not restricted to the number of marimbas available. Thank you for supporting Sounds of Celebration. Money raised from this year's project will ensure the establishment of a new Marimba hub at the Boys and Girls Club in Protea Glen, Soweto. So now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.